Christopher Martin Olson is a powerful businessman who is given an extraordinary opportunity to create a network of backdoors and legal loopholes for the ultra-wealthy to achieve their goals while avoiding legal repercussions. Backed by a mysterious cabal with obfuscated intentions, Christopher and his compatriots find themselves in an impossibly complicated web of intrigue and betrayal that involves some of the most powerful figures on the planet. A meditation on the interplay between morality and pragmatism, It Is Good to Be Bad speaks to the current political and ethical landscape, one where powerful players seem to evade consequences even as they create monumental economic and cultural shifts for their own benefit. It considers the story of one of the architects of this system and his role in machinations much larger than any one person.